doing a porta potty review today here at Emerald Isle Beach, North Carolina. What looks like a new pool being installed here at this home here. That looks like a fiberglass shell of a pool. It looks like they may have put this porta potty out for that pool installation. Hadn't started yet. This is off Ocean Drive and Coast Guard Road. An advanced portable toilet out bike riding today. Morehead City and Rocky Mount, North Carolina. Let's go in. I would presume this is clean because it looks like they just put this out here, and it is. It smells very good. See if I can discover any kind of last clean date. Looks like February 11th, but it may not have been used since then. We have a soap dispenser here. Today's March 13th. Gray in color, very clean. We've got our vents up here. Of course, our vent pipe. Nothing seems to be broken. Not even any graffiti. Looks pretty clean in the toilet there, and the urinal as well. And we have a new roll of toilet paper and one that's been opened, it looks like, and a new one on the floor here. Looks really good on the inside. Let's go check the outside out. Got a handle here. Looks really clean. Very nice. They put some spikes in the ground to keep kids from turning these things over, which is a known thing to happen, sitting on skids. Got our vent pipe up here. It's kind of a larger deluxe looking model as well. Big time thumbs up on this one. It's like they just put this here, absolutely clean as it can be. And someone is going to be lucky enough to get a new swimming pool.